Hello, in this video I want to show you how to cancel your Prime membership in Amazon. And to do this, first we'll need to visit our Amazon Prime website. Also make sure that you're logged into the account that has the Amazon Prime. Now we need to scroll down and here go for customer service, select Prime, then cancel Prime membership and go to manage your Prime membership. Here we should be able to click on update and cancel and more. Then we can end our membership by clicking on this button right here. And we still have 29 days, okay, but we want to continue and cancel it. And we can now end it on for me at least, on the 2nd February. You'll also have a different date probably. So let's end it right now. And we can take a survey why we even cancelled it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.